Welcome to Mallohum Institute of Technology. On behalf of the Institute, we have initiated Leadership Talk series, which will be aired in several episodes. This is episode number 1. Leadership excellence is sought in every affair of contemporary concern, and this is very important in the context of the industrial development of 21st century. With the term leader, we immediately understand political leadership, but this is not the fact. Leadership excellence is required in all fields of contemporary concern, maybe academics, maybe healthcare, maybe corporate, and even in your family. Let's have a look. Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once shared a fact in a lecture. When he joined Indian Space Research Organization as a scientist, Professor Satish Dhawan was the chairman of ISRO. In 1979, Dr. Kalam was the project director of an SLV mission. After a few seconds of its launch, the rocket was plunged into the Bay of Bengal instead of getting set into its projected orbit. On that day, Professor Dhawan accompanied Dr. Kalam to face the world media. The furious world media pounced upon Dr. Kalam with harsh criticism that you have dropped the taxpayers' money into the Bay of Bengal. Young Kalam was frightened, but Professor Dhawan patiently replied on his behalf, "This is not the individual failure. This is our failure, and I have faith in my team. Next time we'll succeed for sure." In 1980, when Dr. Kalam successfully injected the Rohini RS-1 satellite into its predicted orbit, Professor Dhawan congratulated Kalam and said this time, "Young man, this is your day. Go alone and meet the press." Friends, this is leadership, and this is the act of a leader. At the time of failure, leader takes responsibility on his shoulder, and during success, he gives credit to his team members. Now let's discuss the traits of a good leader. The first to come in this row is communication. A good leader motivates his team member with his power of communication. Well-known journalist and the consulting editor of India Today, Mr. Rajdeep Sardesai, once told in a speech, "This 21st century is the age of communication." The second to come in this row is clarity of speech. A leader must have clarity of speech so that his teammates can understand him effectively. The third one is personality. A leader should possess pleasant personality. The fourth one and the most important one in this row is decisiveness. A leader has to be decisive for getting success in his endeavor. The fifth one is courage, to face challenges and threats in profession. The sixth one is knowledge. This is required to earn respect from team members. Another important feature is passion for work, without which success will stay 1,000 miles away from you. Eighth one is humility, which is required for creating a lovable persona amongst your team members. Ninth feature is empathy for the team. And the last one is group behavior. That's all for the day. In the next episode, we will come up with another video on leadership as a part of this Leadership Talk series. If you think that the video has been helpful for you, please like, comment and share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Namaskar.